of Appeal in Bloemfontein has dismissed the appeal by former Northern Cape ANC chairperson John Block and Trifecta Investment CEO Christo Scholtz.
The two are challenging the conviction and 15-year sentence imposed on them by the High Court in Kimberley. They were, among others, found guilty of money laundering and corruption. Block and Scholtz were out on bail of 150,000 rand.
In this matter, my colleague Justice Leach has prepared a judgment. I read the orders. A, in case numbers 428 of 17 and 635 of 17, the appeal of the first appellant against his conviction of corruption on count 16 is upheld, and such conviction and the sentence imposed on that count are set aside. 2, the appeals of the first, second and third appellants against their conviction of money laundering on count 34, as well as the appeals of the first and third appellant against their conviction of money laundering on count 35, are upheld, and such convictions and the sentences imposed in respect thereof are set aside. Save as the aforesaid, the appeals of the first to seventh appellants are dismissed, and their convictions, as well as the sentence of 15 years imprisonment imposed on the first appellant in respect of count 15, confirmed. B, in case numbers 491 of 17 and 636 of 17, 1, the appeals of the 8th and 9th appellants, the 9th and 10th accused, against their convictions of money laundering on count 35 are upheld, and their convictions and sentences on that count are set aside. 2, save as the aforesaid, the appeals of the 8th and 9th appellants against their conviction on count 15 and the 8th appellant against the sentence of 15 years imprisonment imposed on that account are dismissed, and that sentence is confirmed. C, the registrar of this court is directed to forward a copy of both this judgment and the record to the Law Society of the Northern Provinces for it to consider possible disciplinary action in the light of paragraph 213 of the judgment. I hand the judgment down.